president of the World Rainforest Fund, evolutionary biologist, talking today about happiness and basically the internet, being online, social media, technology. Families used to watch TV on one TV screen together, one program all together, and now they're scattered about on different TV screens or other screens separated. Um, they did a study on laptops in class, students. This is in taking notes in a 50-minute lecture. And it was interesting to find that 37 of the 50 minutes on average, this is average in a large study, 37 minutes were spent not taking notes on the lecture, but online shopping, checking email, checking social media. So 37 out of 50 minutes. Also, they also found in this study the students do, if they do take the notes on the laptop and don't go over to social media and other things, they don't absorb the material in the lecture as well as when it is written down by hand, because that way it's better remembered, because it's better digested, uh, instead of just kind of parroting the lecture, which you tend to do when you take notes with a laptop. They figure out what the professor said and summarize it. Now, um, the another study was done where one group was able to told they could check their emails as often as they want, and the other group could only check 3 times per day, and then they had to have the inbox closed and things, computer or cell phone off. And they weren't able to get email notifications. So, two groups. The group that was limited on the email turned out to have less stress. And it's interesting that this study, it was hard to recruit people to be in the study because uh, there were people, a lot of them didn't want to give up their cell phone. Technology takes up time that you could be spending with your friends out in nature, reading a book, learning, and getting your sleep. And that last one is important. A lot of people don't get enough sleep because they're because of technology. Now, teenagers online are less happy than those who are out playing sports and with friends. This is another study. And also, 2012 is a significant year. It was the year that smartphones became used more than 50% of the time, and that's from that year on, happiness in teens and other young people has gone way down. Now, technology is a problem because it isolates us and people feel lonely. But another problem is people have this thing called FOMO, fear of missing out, and they see people posting. People don't post stuff that makes them look bad. They only post what they want. So they post their really happy vacation or their big success, and people see this and they feel inferior. They compare, and it makes them feel bad. People do, uh, who went to Las Vegas, there were 3 times as many posts as though of those checking into the highest end hotel versus Circus, the budget hotel of Las Vegas. People post their great vacation. So other people look at this, compare, and have FOMO and feel bad. Thank you for your attention. Interested in your comments as usual.